Question 6 is calculator based. In this question, all values of x and t are in radians. Consider the function f of x equals 3 sine 4 pi x. Write down the amplitude of the graph of f, which is 3. Find the period of f. Period equals 2 pi over b. b is 4 pi, so 2 pi over 4 pi equals 1 over 2. Consider a second function, g of x equals negative 4 cosine 4 pi x. The sum of these functions can be expressed in the form f of x plus g of x equals a cosine b x minus c, where a, b, c are positive value. By considering the graph of y equals f of x plus g of x, determine the value of a, the value of b, and the smallest possible value of c. Since y equals f of x plus g of x, we got this y equals 3 sine 4 pi x minus 4 cosine 4 pi x. Let's go to this scratch pad. Graph. We need to clear this graph. So go back to this tab. Use this button to get f1 of x. So Control Delete, clear, enter. First step, you always set up the standard window. Go to Menu, go to 4. Standard window is 5, so click this 5. Then go to this tab, f1 of x equals 3 sine 4 pi, pi is here, x minus 4 cosine 4 pi x. Then enter. You will get this really crazy graph. Then you need to change the window. Here it's 1. So you can set up your window from 0 to 1 for x axis. For y axis, it's good enough. Menu, go to 4, window settings. X minimum, let's do 0. Maximum, do 1. X scale, always use the maximum value or minimum value divided by 10. So 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Enter. Enter. We got this nice graph. Then we need to figure out this maximum and minimum value. Go to Menu, 6. We are looking for maximum value. Then go to Menu again, 6. This time we are looking for minimum value. So we got these two values. Since we are given this a is positive, we got this a equals the amplitude, which is 5 minus negative 5 over 2 equals 5. B equals 2 pi over period. For the period, we will use this formula. Double the horizontal distance between neighbor maximum point and minimum point, which is 0.448792 minus 0.198792 equals 0.5. So 2 pi over 0.5 equals 4 pi. B3, the smallest positive value of C. We got this midline is this. Y equals 0. Since A is positive, which means for this cosine get started from maximum value. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the starting point for this cosine function. So C equals 0.199. A car is traveling along a residential street with speed bumps placed at regular intervals on the road to encourage safer driving. The car travels at a minimum velocity when passing over speed bumps and reaches a maximum velocity in between speed bumps. Its velocity in meters per second. Remember, the time is a second. Can be modeled by the function v of t equals this, where t is measured in seconds. Find the time at which the car first reaches its maximum velocity. Let's graph this function on the graphing calculator. Go to Tab and go up to get f1 of x. Click Tab, then upper arrow. Clear the function, then enter. Go to Menu, change the window. We will use a standard window. Then click this tab again. You can put in your function now. When you put your function into this graphing, make sure you have to change all the variables into x. X minus 5 instead of t minus 5. Then plus 9. Enter. We got this graph. We need to change the window. Window you can use from 0 to 50 for x-axis. For y maximum, you can put 50. Minimum, you can put this 5. So let's go to Menu, Window, Enter. X minimum, let's do 0. Maximum is 50. Scale is 50 divided by 10 is 5. Y minimum, let's use 5. Maximum, let's use 50. Y scale, 50 divided by 10 is 5. Then enter, enter. We need to change this window again. You could say 50 is too big. 15 is better. Let's go to Menu again. Go to 4. enter. For y maximum, let's use 15. 15 divided by 10 is 1.5. So let's use 2. Enter, enter. We got this nice graph now. So you have to know how to change the window setting so that you can get a nice graph. We are looking for this maximum value. Go to menu, 6. Maximum is 3. (19) 12.5. By graphing t equals 19. Since this is only 1 mark, you don't have to show any work. Look at the D. Find the number of speed bumps the car passes over in the first 2 minutes of motion. 2 minutes means 2 times 60 seconds. Remember, t is measured in seconds. So we need to change the window. So let's go back to this graph, change the window. Menu 4, 1. X maximum is 120. X skill is 12. Then enter, enter. Just count how many minimum value. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Answer is 5 speed bumps.